And what says Mediterranean? More than lamb. I got my butcher to bone this for me. But if I were gonna do this whole, I would have left the bone in. But I'm doing kebabs today. Now, let's just cut these right into nice chunks. The fat on the lamb is really good because once we get it onto the grill, that's all gonna melt in there and it's gonna get nice and crispy. Very good thing. Do you wanna know the Italian word for kebabs? Yummy. So I'm grating a little onion here for more flavor. I'm making a little marinade for my lamb. And the reason I'm grating this is because all the juice from the onion is gonna come out and it's gonna flavor that lamb. Got enough there now. Gonna start with a little cumin here. Now cumin really comes out well on the grill. That Mediterranean feel that we're looking for. Paprika for a little color. Always a little salt, a little pepper. Now you don't even have to cut your cilantro. Just break it apart, put it in. This is a marinade, it's gonna sit in there for a while. A little oregano, again, just tear it nicely. Parsley, brings it all together. Now, if you don't have fresh herbs, you can use dried herbs. And garlic, fresh garlic. But if you don't have it, same thing. Let's mix this around. Olive oil to finish it off. And barbecuing is all about rubs and marinades and building flavors. That's what it's all about. All these things can come out well on the grill, but again, pick your own stuff. And right onto our meat. And here's the fun part. Get in there with your hands, mix it around. Woo! Now, into our bag. I'm putting it into the bag so that I have contact with the meat all the time. This is gonna go into the fridge for 4 hours. We've got plenty of time for it to sit and get real happy together. Mush that around a little bit, get that into the fridge. My lamb's been marinating for 4 hours now. It's all tender and juicy. When it hits the grill, mmm. Now let's get a few skewers going here. Always the trusty soaked wooden skewers. Start with a little meat down at the bottom. A little onion. And the onion now is going to add that sharp flavor, but a little sweetness. And pepper for color and sweetness. Touch more of the lamb. This marinade now has tenderized this lamb, and it's made it really succulent. As soon as it gets on the grill, you're all there. The marinade that we have, we've got the paprika, the cumin, all those flavors are gonna come right out onto this lamb. This lamb is gonna be succulent. All right. Let's get a little spray in here. Get that grill nice and oiled. We don't want anything sticking to the grill. Spent all that time marinating. So we have the 5 steamboat rule before we put them on. 1 steamboat, 2 steamboat, 3 steamboat, 4 steamboat, 5 steamboat. If you can't get the 5, grill's too hot. This is a perfect grill. Put them on. They're gonna take about 5 minutes per side. Now you don't want to leave these alone too much because they'll start to scorch, so play with them. Make sure that they're not sticking. Give them a couple minutes to start cooking on one side, then shake them around a little bit. Leave the lid up, just let them cook. Make sure you keep watching them. Now, these are perfectly done. These are medium rare. You never want to overcook lamb. These are perfect. These are ready to come off.